What's up YouTube, it's your boy CJ Dunn, aka CJ So Wavy, coming at y'all with another video on how to get 360 waves for beginners. Let's get into the video. Okay YouTube, let's get this video started. I'm going to tell y'all right now, yes I am a beginner for 360 waves because even though I had waves 1 or 2 years back, when I grew my hair out, all that went away. So when I recently cut my hair about 1 week and a half ago, I had to start over. And when I unrag, I'm not wavy right now, but I know what it takes to get there because I have been there before. And for all my wavers out there, I want y'all to go on this journey with me. So, as y'all can see in the title, this video is about what you should do your first day you decide you want to get waves, or the first every day you decide you want to cut your hair. Okay, leading up to this day, if you got hair, obviously, dreads, nappy, fro, whatever, it doesn't matter. When you go get a cut, I would say tell your barber to cut your hair to wavelength. Now, any good barber is going to automatically know when you say wavelength when to cut your hair. So you tell them what haircut you want and tell them to cut it to wavelength. After you do that, you set. You leave the barbershop, got a fresh line up, and you thinking, yes, I'm finna finally get waves. So the first thing you want to do is go buy brushes. Now, these are the brushes I started off with. As you can see, like, it got, like, the words are coming off the brushes. This is a hard brush, by the way. You can tell. This is a medium brush. And this is a soft brush. Now, I really don't see any point of buying a soft brush, because when you first start it, of course, your head gonna feel fresh and breezy because you just cut your hair. But like, you can use this brush for like a week or so. But after a week of brushing your hair with a soft brush, you should move on to a medium. Oh, my fault. You should move on to a medium to hard brush. But I'm just saying, these brushes, any brush can get you waves. They say specific brushes. See, you see how this one got the curve in it, like. But any brush, any do-rag, like, I know a lot of people tell y'all to get silky do-rags. I have a silky do-rag on right now. I know a lot of people tell y'all to get silky do-rags and all the famous brushes and all that. But any wave, do-rag, any brush, any grease will get you waves. So, alright, so you go to the store, you pick up your brush. I recommend a medium, a hard brush. A medium and a hard brush. Now, it's a type of brush that you can get that's medium and hard, but I recommend you go ahead and buy a medium separate and a hard separate. Because, you know, it's 2-sided brushes you can get. But don't get those. Just get 2 separate brushes. And then, after you get your basic brushes, and you start to get your waves, then that's when you can decide if you want a Toronto Pro or a 360 process brush. But don't get that when you just first started, because you might give up on this wave journey. Because I gave up first because I thought that they wasn't coming in, and it was because of me at first, because I wasn't putting in as much brush work and all that other stuff. Let me tell you, bro, getting waves is hard. You gotta maintain them and do all that, but that's for another video. You here on how to get waves your first day. What you should do your first day. So boom, you went to the store, you bought your brushes. Why would you buy a brush without getting a do-rag? Get you a do-rag, they're like 99 cents at anywhere. Go to the beauty supply store, you can get one for $1, $2. It could be polyester when you first start out, it really doesn't matter. You can get a silky, whatever. If you got the money. If you don't have the money and you in the ghetto and you trying to spend, it don't really matter. Just get you a do-rag, something to lay your hair down. Boom. Alright, so I'm finna unrag real quick. Don't be talking about my waves, man, because I just started. Alright, so boom. My waves is not all the way there. Or they really barely even there, but this is a hard brush. I'll go in with a hard brush. Boom. Boom. So as soon as you get your brush, you want to go home and start getting your brush sessions in. And you want to look in the mirror. It'll be good for you to invest in the mirror too. Like one of these. Get one of these mirrors right here. Because these mirrors, you gonna need it. Like, cause I got a ball fade, but people that have 360 waves, you're gonna need a mirror like this so you can see the back of your hair. Eventually, I'm gonna go back to 360 waves, but for now I just got a ball fade. But you're gonna get a good brush session in. Boom. cause your hair might be sticking up. Like when you get it cut, your hair gonna be used to sticking up. So you gonna have them little hair sticking up. So what you wanna do is you wanna take a hot towel, put it in the microwave, or you can either run hot water, put it in the sink, let that lay on your head, boom. Press down on it until it get cold. Take it off. Your hair should be soft. It should be soft to the point where it lay down. You're not gonna have waves at the beginning, but it's gonna start training your hair. So boom, you brush, you get a good brush session in. Make sure you brushing your hair the pattern you want your waves to come in. Just get you a good brush session in. And I'd say when you first starting getting your hair cut, when you cut your hair, bro, you gonna wanna put in a lot of brush work. And also, when you go to the store, you should get wave grease. That's essential, like wave grease. Why wouldn't you get wave grease? You're trying to get waves, right? I got 360 Style because I really like this product. Just because, look, you see it, like it's very light, watch. Boom, look in the mirror, put it in your head. Boom. Okay, so make sure I put it in right. Okay. And then you wanna go back in with your brush and just keep brushing. And you can get a brush with a handle on it, or you can get one like this. I like both, but I ain't got all my brushes with me. I also got Torino Pro brushes and stuff like that, but this is a beginner video, so I thought I'd start y'all off with the basic brushes before we get into all that other exotic brushes and stuff like that. But as you can see, I'm getting my hair trained and laying it down. And like I said, you want to go in for a day. You should brush your hair for at least 2 to 2.5 hours. Not at one time. You can do it in sessions. That's what I mean by brush session. You might get your brush for like 30 minutes to an hour, depending on what you're doing. If you're not busy, you feel me, you can go in and keep going in. You can go in like while you doing anything, watching TV, playing the game, anything like that. But yeah, you just want to go in, and if you keep brushing your hair, you're gonna get used to it, and you're just gonna start picking up your brush and brushing your hair for no reason. But yeah, that's what you do when you're a beginner. You first getting the cut. Remember, I told you to get it cut to a wavelength. Do not get your junk cut extra short. Start at wavelength. Tell your barber you want it wavelength. And I know y'all see like little ripples or whatever, but I'm still a beginner because I just cut my hair like a week and a half ago. But I'm already starting to spin, you feel me? Like they coming in, but get you a good brush session in. And the trick, when you brushing your hair, you not be brushing your hair like short strokes. You wanna go all the way from the back, come forward. So when your waves do come in, they can connect and they can be deep and stuff like that. But yeah, this is what you wanna do when you're a beginner. Boom, start brushing your hair a lot, cause waves not gonna come easy. You feel me? Boom, boom, boom. So after you done brush your hair for 15-30 minutes, you're gonna put on your do-rag. Put back on your do-rag, boom, and keep repeating that process for like a week and a half. And yeah, that's what you do when the first day you get your waves, the beginning stage. You feel me? Now after a week and a half, I'm gonna tell you what you should do after you get to a week and a half in a different video. But this is just what you do when you first get your haircut. When you first ever get your cut, you wanna buy brushes, you wanna go get a do-rag, you wanna go get some wave grease, you wanna go home, you wanna brush your freaking life away. You might not see waves at first, but they're there. They just gotta lay down. And yeah, once they lay down, you should be good. As you can see, mine's coming in a little bit. You feel me? And I do got a peanut head, so y'all can join on me for that or whatever. But yeah, let me know what y'all think of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And more wave videos are on the way. Let's go.